It's decent. Battery life still alright. Welcome to Terry's court journey.
Innocent.
You guilty as fuck. Yo, welcome back to another video, guys. Today, I have custom tails. Let's make Terry some custom tails.
I almost killed myself. Yo, this X-Acto knife, you don't play.
Sharp.
Bad sharp.
Bad sharp. Yo, so we got custom tails coming in again. So he's not gonna do the clears like I have. He's gonna do something a little more spicy, you know?
Yeah.
Little spice.
Yeah.
Little jerk chicken. Some spicy oxtail.
Jerk anything. Wait, no, I'm not.
No, I wouldn't jerk anything. Well, you heard it here first, folks. Nah, so we got some spicy tails coming for you guys. We're not gonna expose them until the end of the video.
I don't want to use this. It looks nice. It's for a Dremel.
Terry went out and bought an ill Dremel set from Walmart for like 10 bucks. Look at this shit.
208 pieces.
10 bucks.
And none of it did not come with the piece I needed.
None. Hey, but it's cool though. It's cool to have.
I know.
I'm not gonna show you guys how to cut open the tail light because if you want, you can look at this. I don't know where the link is, but you can look at one of these videos. It's a video of how we did it on my clears. So I'm gonna put the link up there. That's how you watch how to do it. I'm just gonna show you these. And maybe a little in between. Look at that camber though.
I'm still trying to figure out what this is.
It's some good fitment, that's what it is.
No, it stinks. I'm talking about this.
Oh, I'm like way zoomed in on my tire.
Oh, okay.
That is the face of focus and determination.
If I could get the angle. I'm sitting trying to get the angle to cut it. It's just like...
Yo, guys, use this diamond blade. This diamond blade is the shit. That shit is cutting better than the saw blades.
I forgot what it's called. Where is it?
It's a little pricey.
Oh, it's over there. Oh.
Cutting and shaping wheel.
Yeah. And it's made for soft surfaces like softwood, hardwood, PVC, fiberglass.
Essentially, this is like the same material as PVC. So.
Yeah. So that's why it's going through it so smoothly.
Butter, like butter.
Butata.
Ooh, what's that? Ooh.
It's butata.
Terry got. Oh, yeah, there you go. You got mad black specks on your face.
Because what it does is like when it cuts,
spits it all up.
these little hook pieces on the end, it flings all up. So usually when you cut stuff like this, you get clumps all over the place. But
yeah, but you just don't peel them off ASAP because they're hot. Just let it cool off for a sec.
Yeah.
And then you could just literally just pulls off the chunk.
Yeah. That literally took like 10 seconds.
Oh, see how all this buildup is here? You could just literally just.
It's like,
boom.
It's like charcoal on like sausage or something, you know? Like a cheeseburger.
Guys, real quick, just cause this is coming up in one of the next videos. Just when it gets a little warmer out, everybody's telling me to wrap my roof black, and I don't really want to wrap it because I don't care for wrapping or trying to learn how to wrap or just wrap in general. I mean, it's cool, you know? I want to paint. I like paint. I like painting everything. But this car eventually is gonna get sent off to paint. I don't know when. I was liking to do it this year, but I don't think I'm gonna do it this year because I'm not really in too much of a rush. So I'm gonna paint everything that I need to paint on the car by myself before I actually send it out for real paint, you know what I mean? But I decided I'm gonna paint my roof Nighthawk Black Pearl. And I don't care how it comes out, just as long as it comes out decently. I know I can make it come out good, but I don't care about the quality of the paint because it's not lasting. Remember, I'm gonna get the whole car painted. This is just literally for me. But check it out. Duplicolor sells the Nighthawk Black Pearl. Nighthawk Black Pearl. So I have 2 cans of the Nighthawk Black Pearl, can of primer, and some Bondo just to fill in any little dents that I have up here which is not much. I think there's one like right around here, this little dent. I don't know if you can see it. Barely anything. So this is just more so for like when I do the body work on the rear bumper. I'm definitely gonna need that. And for straightening out the front bumper when I go to paint it. Obviously some tools. But yeah, Nighthawk Black Pearl. That's the color I'm gonna paint my roof.
BBC Black Pearl?
NBH. What? BB. Terry wants some BBC.
BBC Black Pearl?
BBC Black Pearl? What? You guys are thinking dirty. We're talking about a big black car.
Yeah, they dirty.
Big black car. You guys, get your minds out the gutter, people. These are my glasses.
Nice. I don't know if that did that.
We weren't gonna show you guys just yet, but look at the spice. I don't know if the camera does justice. Like, I can't see if it's picking it up. Let me see. No. Oh, right there. Hold on. Focus. Oh, there it goes. Oh yeah. So you see that rainbow effect? Extra spicy. Cause you know Terry's all about that sparkle. Yo, that shit is nasty. It's a little different, right?
Yeah.
A little different.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, do that again, do that again. Oof, oof, oof. Hold on. Oh my God, that's rainbow. That looked like a rainbow holographic Pokemon card, dog.
It's not that visible, but like.
No, it's pretty visible, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty visible.
But I think it's like if you look at like quick glance, you're not gonna notice it. But like if it's like, you know, we're at the shows and you like looking up close at it.
If we're at the shows and you're parked with the sun on the booty and people are walking by, they're gonna be like, ooh.
I mean, it's either the booty or the head. Both ends sparkle.
I mean, I'll take both ends, but.
There you go.
Keep it PG-13, my bad. So we're gonna get all the headlights. I mean, I did it again. I've been saying headlights all day. We're gonna get all the taillights cut open today. And then we're gonna take our time because there's one piece we don't have that we wanna source out real quick. So we're not gonna put them together today, but this is just a little spice to show you guys that we're cooking up something.
Well, man, it's also because
extra.
of this corner piece.
Which corner? Well, no, we have those replacements.
No, I'm saying that's another reason why I wanted to do it.
Oh, the clear?
No, this turn signal because it's all melted.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. Look, see, this is his taillights. The Type S taillight. You see how it's melted in there?
That's how I bought them.
Yeah.
See how much easier that was? It just pops that up just like that.
You guys want to see the mess we have? Look at this.
We have like 5 taillights worth of parts.
And I have more taillights in there.
Yeah.
This is what I say. This is what I mean when I say we're in the lab. Them blue lugs though.
Right.
Courtesy of your man Terrence.
You just gotta flash them once in a while.
But yeah. So we're cooking up. You guys are gonna see the reveal of his. These are technically gonna be one of one with the coloring and shit. Because a lot of people have kind of similar styles.
Yeah.
But no one's done what we did right there.
It's actual paint, like.
Yeah, it's actual paint. So it's technically a one of one. But you guys will see the reveal probably in the next video, maybe the one after.
Yeah, because we're gonna let these sit and actually.
Yeah, we can't even install them today because, you know, we have to silicone them. We have to let them sit for a certain amount of hours before we do. Plus, we got to clean the insides. We really got to decide which route 100% we're gonna go with it. But I mean, we're pretty much there. So
Yeah.
I don't know why I still have these on. But yeah, drop a like. Drop a fat thumbs up on it. I like when people, you know, keep liking the shit. We're getting higher in the like range. I like that. So let's keep dropping likes on the videos. Subscribe. Get up close. Oh, actually, you see all the flake in the light?
Focus. It's actually really hard to tell. All right there.
Let me see. Oh, you got it. Yo, there's blues, purples, greens, orange, yellow, red. This flake is fire.
All right, wait a minute. So do the twirling thing you're doing? Put it like so it's more towards the sun. There we go.
You see it?
There we go.
Yo, I'm telling you guys, you want to subscribe to this channel because we have so much content coming for you guys. It's kind of ridiculous. It's kind of ridiculous. Oh, and we were debating on what the next rolling shell project we're gonna get is.
Yeah, a lot of options.
Yeah, but we got it kind of narrowed down to 2, so we're gonna figure it out, and then you guys will figure out that soon. So, with that being said, have a lovely evening.
Type S. You can never go wrong with the Type S bezel. It's just, look at that shining on your face.
Yo, like, comment, subscribe. Join us. We'll see you later. Have a good night. You guys, look at the graveyard of just taillight shit we have. Full housings, cut in half, ready to go. We have some bezels, couple base, couple Type S. It's easy to get the clear ones too. So Terry came up with an idea, and I know this is a stretch. Right, Terry?
Yeah.
This is a stretch, guys, alright? Because we're not even at 1,000 yet. But we can get to 2,000 subscribers. We'll give away 2 sets of custom taillights. And I'm not talking like LED boards. I mean, like, you know, RGB and all that shit. Because that's like more advanced, and I leave guys like, you know, the Serious Innovations and SpecFab to do that because they do great work. But I mean, custom housings for your taillights. Like I have the clears, other people has the CDM lookalikes. Just pretty much anything, painted bezels, whatever you want, we'll do it. We get to 2,000 2,000 subscribers, we'll give away 2 sets, 2 winners, completely free, done however you want, shipped right to your door. We have 2 housings ready to go. They'll be done within a week and shipped out. 2,000 subscribers, I don't think that's a bad idea. Right, Terry? Oh, by the way, we're still doing the 3.7 manifold at 1,000 subscribers, so run them subscribers up. You know, if you stayed this long to the end of the video.